Are you struggling with your FPV drone where there is no video feed, but everything seems connected? If yes, this video might save you money. Most beginner thinks the component is dead, so they buy a new camera or VTX and waste money. But I found the most common reasons for this problem, and 90% of time your component is fine. So before you buy anything, watch this video till the end. Alright, enough talking, now let's start with the problem number 1. Loose or broken camera wires. This is one of the most common mistakes I have personally faced. Lightly pull or wiggle the camera wire near the connector. Sometimes the wire looks fine from outside, but is broken inside, especially after crashes. You think your camera is dead, but it's just a broken wire. If the wire is loose or broken, replace or resolder it, and your camera will work perfectly. Moving to problem number 2, antenna issue or wrong polarity. Check if your antenna is broken or damaged. Also match the antenna polarity. If your drone uses RHCP and your goggles has LHCP, you will get heavy cutouts or very poor video, sometimes almost no signals. Always make sure both antenna use the same polarity. Moving to problem number 3, incorrect voltage to camera or VTX. This is another big one. If your VTX needs minimum of 9 volts and you connect it with 5 volts, it will not work. Always check the manual. Minimum voltage, maximum voltage, and then solder it to correct pad. Same goes for camera. Incorrect voltage is equals to no video. If you can see the OSD but the screen is blank, try solution number 1. If it still doesn't work, your camera is most likely dead. If there is no video at all but the power is correct, your VTX might be damaged. This happens if you power the VTX without an antenna. These are the most common FPV video problems and their solutions. Explain quickly so you don't get bored watching me talk. If you still have any problems or confusion, leave a comment or message me on Instagram. I will try my best to help you out. Happy flying!